Hi Ronald, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just first thing, when I tried putting in your website, First Impressions Custom Flooring LLC.com, it looks like your website is shut down. I'm not sure if this may be an older website or maybe you've just moved away from trying to do or from having the website. However, I'm just going to show you then what your top competitor is going through in the Jacksonville area and the traffic they're pulling in from their website. So if we look at the top keyword, which is Flooring Jacksonville, Florida, it has the most searches per month. First thing that's going to pop up are your pay-per-clicks, your PPC. These are the people that are, of course, paying to be on top. Second thing is going to be your GMB. This is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and they'll pick one of these three people just because that's the easiest thing to do. Now, after that, after that, you have your organic rankings, which is by strength of website, which you have Floor Trader Jacksonville, which as you can see, they're also right over here. They're on the GMB, so they're getting all that traffic. So let's check out how their website is doing. So put in their site, got a great header. They got their logo. They got their click to calls of their different areas, both Jacksonville and Orange Park. And then going through, they are an in-store location, so they have both. So it kind of helps for them. They got all the different walk-ins. They have all their services. Then they have a nice footer with, of course, everything they had in the header, as well as all their social media, which is awesome. So they are ranking really well. However, they don't have a lot of content on their site or on their front page. What Google is truly looking for is a site with 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in. What a keyword is those buyer intent words that a customer is putting into Google to find your specific service, like that flooring Jacksonville, Florida. That would be considered one of those buyer intent keywords. Now, let's take a look behind the scenes at how their website is doing. The way we do that is with Ahrefs. That allows us to take a peek behind the curtain to see why they're ranking so well and why they're doing so well. So two things we look at are the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength of their website, how strong Google thinks their website is. And the DR rating is the trust that Google places in their website. What we're looking for is around 30 to 40 for each with the ratio of 1 to 1. As you can see, their strength rating is doing really well out of 35. Their trust rating is not doing well. The way you boost these guys up are with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link from another person's website that would lead back to yours. Now, all backlinks aren't created equal. You might be saying, oh my God, they have over 2,000. However, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be a horrible link to have because that's super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that's a relevant backlink. And then, of course, they have those organic keywords. So let's check out what their buyer intent keywords are and why they're on the front page and doing so well. So first thing, Flooring Jacksonville, 350. They're top two. Flooring stores, they have an in-store, so they have an advantage with that. They're in position 2. They get that amount of traffic, 69 traffic. Floor Trader, that's them, so they're kind of going to rank for that a lot easier. Flooring Jacksonville, they're 2. Jacksonville Flooring, they're 2. So as you can see, they're getting a lot of traffic because they're on the front page for all of these words. So what you'd be looking for, of course, is just following their example. So if you're looking to build back your website and build that up again, what you'd be looking for is, of course, that content. So the 1,500 to 2,000 words, so you can put those keywords in, so Google can see that you're relevant for those keywords and put those as your keywords, as well as getting your UR rating and your DR rating. So getting those backlinks. So you already have uh, a roadmap because you know that these backlinks are working for Floor Trader Jacksonville. You can take them. You can find out which backlinks are good, and you can use them yourself. And they're in the front page using these backlinks. Who says you can't be too? Of course, after you take theirs, you can add your own, so you can start beating them out and getting that organic traffic through your site. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I'm always looking to improve. So if you can leave some feedback, that will be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your night.